Hey guys, it's Sandra from Inspired Keys, and today I just want to try something quite different. I am going to do as many variations on a chord progression as possible. And I don't even know how many I really will come up with, but I guess I'm just gonna try. And this is great for something like free worship where you have to go on a chord progression and you're getting tired of what to play next. So I hope this gives you some inspiration and ideas on what you can do. Now, typically I will do everything twice just so that it kind of establishes itself a little bit before I change. But for the sake of this video and for it to just move on, I'm going to try something different with every chord progression. Today I'm going to be using the chord progression of B minor, G, D, and A, which is, well, it's a very common chord progression, but I'm specifically thinking in mind Miracles by Jesus Culture. So I'm just gonna have that song going on in my head, and I'm going to do as many variations as I can come up with on the spot. So let's see what happens. Okay, I've kind of completely lost count on how many I've actually done, but I think there is a couple of takeaways that I want you to see from what I did. Every time I start a new progression, whatever it is that I started with, sometimes it surprises me because I don't even know what it is I really will play, but whatever comes out of it, maintain that for the entire progression. So if whatever happens, it's sort of like the progression turned out to be maybe. I don't even think I did that. So if that was what happened, then try to keep it consistent for the rest of that chord progression, so the rest of it will continue to be. And maybe try something slightly different for the last one. You know, so just keep it consistent for a while so that you establish the character before changing to something else again. Okay, I hope that was quite interesting for you to watch. Now, if you want to learn more from me, Inspired Keys Academy is the place to go. Now, Inspired Keys Academy is a membership site that I created where I house all of the training videos, teaching videos that I've created on step-by-step videos to guide you on how to play worship keys better. You also get to access the 31 Days to Better Worship Keyboard Playing ebook, and you also get to ask me questions on specific worship keys, questions you have, or maybe you want me to hear the way you play a song and critique the way you play, and I will be answering them with priority like I am doing recording in this video. So if you're interested to find out more and just fast track the way you play worship keys so that you just don't have to figure it out and take all that time to struggle and find things and wonder if it works, and yeah, just fast track the way you play, then be sure to check out Inspired Keys Academy at inspiredkeys.com/join. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!